Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, I say you are welcome. What I want to do today is to do the review of the product I bought from Jumia, which is this video making kit that I bought from Jumia. Jumia tells me that they said, please help us improve our service and give all Jumia customers a better understanding about the products you order by rating them from very poor to very good. I ordered this product from Jumia. I think was on 19th of February, and I was able to get it on 28th or 27th. I got it on 28th or 27th of February, and today is March. Today is March 6th. I've been using the product since when I bought it, and I want to show us how to couple it, and at the same time how it has been working since when I started using it. Now this is the kit, video making kit. Okay, let's see what is inside. Okay, here we go. This is our tripod. This is our tripod. We have our mic here. This is the mic. Apart from the mic, we have the code for the mic. We also have this, our phone holder. We also have this, which is the light. In case the place you are to watch, to shoot your video is not bright, you can use this to make it more brighter. This is our remote control. Now, how to couple this video making kit? That's what I want to show us first. Now, this is our tripod. Now, the first thing that will come is this, our phone holder. We tight it with it like this. Okay, here is it now. You can see the way it is. Now, to hold our phone, we have to what? To put it this way to hold our phone. Okay. The next thing we are going to put is this light. Now, you can see this space, and we are going to fix it this way. You tie it, you face front, so that the light can face us. You tie it. It's okay now. The next thing we are going to fix is our mic. This space at back, that is where our mic is going to be fixed. And we're going to fix it like this and tie it. You can see the way it looks now. This is the tripod, this is the phone, this is the light, and this is the what? This is the mic. Now, the next thing we have to do now is to connect the mic with our phone. As you can see, we are going to fix this at back of the mic. Now, we are going to connect it with our phone. If you can see it very well. Now, here we go. I've coupled it. Now, to now know how it works, let's start from the mic. When I first used it, I thought the mic was not working. But along the way, I later realized that the mic is working, because when I first recorded it, I played it there. The voice does not come out the way I wanted it. But when I go into one of my apps, that is Play It App, and I play it there, I realized that the sound is normal. for the mic, the way the mic is sound. Now, let me on, let's do something. Okay, this is it now. This is the phone. Okay, let's do onto video. Now, you can see the way it is. This is the remote control. Now, first of all, before you can use this remote control, you must on the Bluetooth of the phone. Okay, the Bluetooth is on already. Okay, here's the Bluetooth. Here's the Bluetooth. Okay, now let's go back to our main camera. Okay, here is our what? Now, as you can see, this remote now, you on it here, you on it here. As you on it, you press it, you can see it's blinking blue light, and you can see it has started. It has started reading here. If you want to off it, you can see that it's off already. That is how the remote control works. The remote control is working with phone. Now, if the place where you are to shoot your video is what? It's not bright. This is the light. Now, you can see this button here. That's what you are going to press. You can see the light. If that is not enough, you increase it. If that is not enough, you still increase it. Okay. The light too is working perfectly. Off it now. And this light, it is battery that you have to insert in it. As you can see, I inserted 3 battery. So far, this product is working effectively for me, and that is all I can say. But I don't know the longevity, because I just started using it just like a week ago. So to me now, the product is okay. I think that is what I can say about this product. So you can patronize Jumia for this product. Video making kits. I think you need it.